Evening, everyone. So this is one of their fishing holes, and I usually find fishing bats down in this area, and sometimes I find netting pins for making nets. So this is a netting pin. You size the gill net by the size of the place you want to net from. This one has a notch in the back so you can attach cording, pull it through. So I'll find their netting pin here. It's usually sitting upright like that. The fish bat isn't here today, so I can't show you that, but I'll come back. So this is one of their fishing holes, and that's one of the types of things you might find at one of their fishing holes. And you'll find it, just sitting without, just out in the open because, they're prepping to use it. So anyway, I thought you'd like to see this part of their terrain. A lot of absolute up and down territory. A little bit of old growth up here. And his fishing bat right now looks like it might be that thing there. A few stones for throwing. There's also some heart-shaped stones. It looks like somebody's been trying to nap something. There's a bunch of shale stone, broken stone here. Anyhow, thought you'd like to see that little fish net pin. So something to watch for. Netting pins. Anyhow, have a good day. And that one's pretty good size. Anyhow, take care.